What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to recap or review the previous two seasons of La Casa de Papel, or the first heist and the second one. The past year was very hectic, and all these problems were going around, and people were all locked down, and it was not easy to talk about anything. But overall, we enjoyed it. It was very good and exciting, binge watchable, and good series that really glued us to the screen. And let's review, and I would like to share with you the video that time we make it. We went to a similar kind of place, so that you will have see, imagine that this video is recorded the past year. So let's review and what the story was all about, and when it is going to be released the next season. And now since March has come, and overall they have said that sooner or later in the mid of 2021 they are going to release this final episode of the heist. So let's review and recap what had happened in the past and what are the predictions of the people. First, we would like to say that what happened and how things happened. The Spanish TV just released this series first, and later the rights were taken by uh, Netflix, and after that, it went viral all over the world, and that's how it becomes more famous. So the first, they showed that Professor selected all those outcast members from the community, and they give them a different name and tell them the plan and the dream they never dream about, and the amount of the money they will be given they have never thought about. So the first is about royal mint of Spain, and they were given a task, and in the first we saw that there are couple of people, those who give their sacrifice and they lost their loved ones. So Berlin was among the one, and the another one was Moscow, and later they escaped, and how they just plan everything. It happened smoothly because it looks very nice. It was just similar to like Bollywood style, that's why it was very closer to us. That's how we wanted the winners to win and others to lose. So in the first they got Lisbon on their side on the, and now the second season start. So in the second season, Berlin is still with us, and Berlin has a he's a relative of Professor. So Berlin's dream was garnished or developed with Palermo. So both of them have developed this project to get the highest, and that was about Bank of Spain. So now more amount, big amount, and big chances of getting caught. That's what he told. Overall, he shared with Professor that okay, we believe that your project was very good, but this will be very exciting. So you can see that here I have went to this place because I really like the scene around this. That Professor is not only a and the another thing that make this series more compelling and eye-catching is the theme song, and especially it has a unique history with all those people who were working in the rice paddies, and how they uh, took a stand against all those workaholic situation. And there is a similarity between this as well, because they think that whatever is happening with us through the system, we become slave of the system. So it was very viral all over the world, and people make different kind of videos and all this, and the mascot, oh, the dress, the red dress, it was also famous. So now in this, what are the people they are predicting is that Palermo will definitely lose his life, because Nairobi is already very like people really felt very sorry to lose her also, because it was very kind character according to the people. And later they release also the, what is that, uh, since they had a huge cast and lot of work, from dress to everything. So everything becomes very unique and precious in the light of media. So that's why they have to take a documentary or make a documentary about it, and the releases also, you can watch it on Netflix also. It's like the phenomenon. So how things happen, how their teamwork, and how the things are happening overall. They have in the recent pictorial things that they have shown, they have given a highlight. Maybe it is just the prediction also, I don't know, but that why Alicia is related to Berlin. They have a relation or what it was, because in the first episode, in the first series, he was talking about his love life and his family. mm, but see what happened, you will see how the things will unfold in the end. Palmero, his death is certain, and Arthur, one of the characters that nobody really like it from the first to last. He's always there, so that's why they keep him intentionally there, so that he will create more mess. And other things that we really need to talk about is okay, now at the beginning of the series, you have seen that Tokyo was the one who was narrating all this. So it looks like Tokyo will still be saved, or maybe hiding it, and suddenly she will feel somebody will come at or something. See what will happen, and overall, we will see it will be like a good ending, or maybe the writer really wanted to finish more characters to create more hype, because there are some characters that he really think that he can get rid of him. So overall, I hope you will enjoy this one. So be prepared, maybe, because last year we can see that it was around like March to April, May, June, July, because they are changing the dates. I don't know what will be the final date. So we'll work on it. Overall, just get prepared. In anytime soon, they will likely to release trailers and all this. The fun fact that I really wanted to share with you is that about the parallel writing. At the beginning of the series, the rating was very high, but as gradually the other episodes came out, it becomes like normal, and the hype that was created at that time uh, faded away. So they were thinking that okay, how to create this charisma, or this appealing sensation they wanted to maintain in the viewers. So the writer and the team came with an idea that okay, let's figure it out that which character is doing better, so that we can work on that character a longer. Otherwise, I know they could have finished Berlin in the first series, they could have done with Nairobi as well, but they know that the people had a soft corner for Nairobi, because she was very concerned about the child, and all this everything was happening. No mouth, she was no problem that she was not good with the mouth, but at least she was good with the heart. So that's why you can see that at certain places she was always at the front. So in the second series also, that like I'm just always saying, the first means the Royal Mint of Spain, the second is the Bank of Spain. Okay, in the second also you see that she was the one who became the victim, and I really like this one, and I hope overall you will really like what is coming on the way. Have a great month ahead, and love your loved ones, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.